Hello, little friends. Today we are going to learn about colors. Are you ready? Yay! Let's go! Look at this apple. It's red. Red like a juicy strawberry or a shiny fire truck. Can you say red? Wow! The sun is shining bright. What color is the sun? Yellow. Yellow like a banana or a bumblebee. Can you say yellow? Here is a big tall tree. What color are the leaves? Green. Green like fresh grass or yummy peas. Say it with me. Green. Look at the ocean. It's so big and blue. Blue like the sky or a blueberry. Can you say blue? Wow! This flower is purple. Purple like grapes or a sweet plum. Say purple. This little fish is orange. Orange like a juicy orange or a pumpkin. Let's say orange together. Orange. Look at this beautiful butterfly. It's pink. Pink like cotton candy or a lovely rose. Can you say pink? Here's a cuddly panda. It's black and white. Black like the night sky and white like fluffy clouds. Say black and white. Great job, everyone! You learned so many colors today. Colors make our world so beautiful and bright. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos. Thank you.